awesome unicorn squishy? Is that what it is? Biggie wrote us a note. Is Sprinkles inside? Biggie. Oh my. Just loves cutting things open. Wow. Ooh, it molds. Let's play with it before we cut it open. Ooh, look. Are you seeing this? It's so weird. Okay, let's cut it open now. Oh, no, not there, not there. Jeez, that's crazy. Okay. Ooh, what is this stuff? Oh my, look. Ew, it's like, ew, it's so weird, magical. There's still more in there. So this is what's inside. It's like magic. See, Biggie? That's what's inside of this. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel. Become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf.